What's up, y'all? This is your boy Supreme the Car Guy. Before we go into this video that we about to react to, I want you to like the video, subscribe to the channel, help me out. Anyway, tonight we're going to react to some car meet stuff. You know, people leaving the car shows, acting a fool. You know, the usual. Let's see what we got here. All right. Oh boy. I I never understood why people gotta try to throw their car sideways like they go trying to lose control or something. There we go. There we go. Like, like I always say. Well, I've been saying for a while now. I've been saying this for a while now. The Lamborghini drivers are the BMW idiots of the exotic car world, and honestly, I'm gonna stand on that. Because you always see a Lamborghini driver doing something very foolish compared to everybody else. I mean, things change, but that's just what I usually see. Now, let's continue to get back into this. He couldn't even get around. That Lambo going by now, dog. Beautiful lemon. Oh, he left a trail of metal. Dude left a trail. He left a trail of metal chunks when he pulled off, yo. Like honestly, it's nothing like showing off for a crowd and your car breaking at the same damn time. It's like that's the ultimate embarrassment. Like if you try, if they tell you, yo, do a pull, do a burnout, some shit, and you break something. And the funny thing is, they gonna be telling you to do that, and they gonna be laughing at you at the same time when you break shit. Like, oh, none of them gonna put no money up for you to get that shit fixed. So it's just better you just keep driving, bro. Anyway, without further ado, oh my goodness, Mark, I love the way the car looks. It's kind of like Mark. Beautiful. Keep the drifting on the track, guys. I love the way those AMC sound. The V8 turbo. E92 M3, right? I had one. As like I mentioned in a previous video a long time ago. Beautiful car, beautiful sounding car, but those things are wildly expensive to maintain. Also with the E92, they're massive gas guzzlers. Even though they say, oh, when you buy a BMW or one of these cars, you're not buying it for gas. True, but that car burns like god damn, like that. Even my GTR with an FBO and the Ivy tune with the power it's making don't burn gas like a E92 that just had an exhaust in the intake, bro. I'm being honest with you. Even my wifey's F80 with intakes on it and way more power don't even burn gas the E92. That car was definitely a love-hate relationship. Beautiful car, it sound amazing. The cold start was wild. Yo, that thing with the cold start, when you put an exhaust and the intake on it, man, when that thing start up, it sound like a damn muscle car for real. Like it rattled the damn houses next to me, bro. But it was a love-hate relationship though. Would I buy another one? And I had a 6-speed manual one. Would I buy another one? I don't know. No, no, I doubt it. No, and no, because you have to supercharge them to really make them something, and it's massive bread to build them any other to try to do anything else with them. It's not even worth it. But anyway, let's keep going. With the BMW stuff, cruise control. What is, oh, AMG. That's why I'm not burning out for no crowd, yo. I'm not doing it. Not doing it. Hmm. I love that. I love those. I might get one day. I don't know. Oh, don't do it. Before we go on, don't act up in a Corvette, man. I never see it ends well. I'm not. I don't know how this is gonna end, but I never see it end well with these Corvette. Do not act up in them. Like, let's see what happens. Look, I think this is yeah, well, that's this is how you not know your tire coming off, bro? That's crazy. Come on, man. You gotta have the right tires on to be running in the wet like that. I wouldn't even do it, honestly. Man, look at that AMG. Go. Oh. Oh, that sucks, bro. You know, what a suck more is if you actually drove that car to the track and that happened. I think that'll be worth. Like if you trailered it, well, it'll still suck if you trailered it in because it's still gonna be massively expensive. But at least you don't have to rely on the car taking you home from where you came from. But damn, wow. And I don't wish this on anyone. Like, and they gotta stop the track for a while and clean it up. Hmm, that's nothing. Smart man. Smart man. The guy in the Mercedes was smart. Because anything could have went wrong. that diesel. Oh, bro. Yeah. He did that right in front of the cop. That's why, yo. Wow. That's why you don't do that, man. He did that right in front of the police, bro. All right. Well, I loved, yo, look, man. See these dumbass ninjas, man? And you see how they laughing at him. Like, you doing it for them and they laughing at you. Like, see what I mean? It never fails. You doing it for them, and then when the cops come out, oh, like they, like they cheering the cops on and give your ass a ticket, bro. Come on, bro. Stop it. Anyway, man, that's it for that one. If you want to check out the rest of the video, I'm gonna have the content creator inside the description box. Is CarspotterQVS. Go check them out. They have a lot of these leaving videos and whatever from the car meets, but I like to give the content creators the credit when I'm reacting to their video. It's only right, but they're gonna be in the description box below. But anyway, it's your boy Supreme the car guy, and I am out. Peace.